What's up guys, welcome to TopTeenFix channel. Today I want to show you how to fix iPhone 11 not charging. As you can see, the phone is already plugged in with the USB charger, but there is no any value of milliamp per hour, just zero. Alright, so let's go to see the motherboard. We need to cut the shell, okay, on this block, on this area, okay. This is called IC U6300. We need to cut the shell in order to find the IC U6300. Everybody please trust your skill before doing this. Okay. Alright, after cutting we can see now this is called IC U6300. That is integrated circuit. Okay. I'm gonna zoom in order to make it more clearer. Is it clear, everyone? This is called IC U6300. On the air gun, we need to set the head on 380, and for the air is just only 50%. Okay. Alright, so let's get started on our work on IC U6300. Okay, there are two steps. Okay, the first step, we have to try the first step. Okay, just make the IC U6300 to be melted without replacing the new IC. Okay, but if it doesn't work for the step one, we have to replace a new one. Okay. Let's see. Try to make it melted. Okay. Right now. Okay, it is melted. Okay. In this video, I just try the first step because it worked for me after apply the heat without replacing the new IC. Okay, so let's go to see the result after the heating on the IC U6300. After that, we need to cool it down, okay, before put it back into the body and turn on the phone. Okay, that's okay. Let's see the result. Alright, let's see the result. Is it work? Alright, we got it. Okay, we can see now the milliampere per hour is now 1.6. Okay, that is okay. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring the bell for the future video. Goodbye.